Imagine yourself on the brink of two worlds, where reality intertwines with mysticism and ordinary moments are infused with magic. It's a place where every step unveils new horizons of consciousness, where time loses its shape and the soul unfolds in all its majestic beauty. Welcome to the fifth dimension, where every event becomes a link in the astonishing chain of existence. It's where thoughts become reality and the heart becomes the compass on this grand journey. In this world, time loses its familiar shape, and events begin to intertwine with astonishing synchronicity. Here, you become both observer and creator, where every moment brings new discoveries and encounters. In the fifth dimension, ordinary moments become a source of inspiration, and every step is filled with profound meaning and understanding. It's a world where you feel harmony with the surrounding world and yourself, where you sense you are part of something much greater. Let's explore the mysteries of the fifth dimension together. Imagine a state of consciousness where all barriers of fear and ego disappear, giving way to true reality. Here, love and unity become the driving forces, as if transcending the limitations of the three-dimensional and entering a world of harmony. And the Compassion Method by Dolores and its innovative approach to therapy and regression into past lives reveal the profound mysteries of this fifth dimension, also known as the New Earth or New Era. Her teachings point towards a higher vibrational level where spiritual growth becomes fundamental. We stand on the threshold of epochal changes for our planet, a unique moment when we can perceive both the three-dimensional reality and the impending transition of Earth to its next state. This provides us with an amazing opportunity to become part of this evolutionary process. In this video, we deeply explore the signs of the fifth dimension. Being ready to recognize and experience these signs can become our transformative path. Take a deep breath. Open your mind and heart, for we are embarking on a journey into the wondrous world of the fifth dimension. The transition into this dimension brings about an amplification of intuition and an elevation of spiritual consciousness, akin to tuning into a clearer and more powerful channel. Imagine awakening with a sense of inner clarity, as if you've tuned your own channel of essence. In this state, your dreams become symbols, opening up like a reliable compass guiding you towards a deeper soul purpose. Elevated spiritual consciousness unveils broader connections and deeper meanings in every experience, becoming a conscious co-creator in harmony with cosmic rhythms. Your spiritual journey becomes a profound exploration, where each intuitive revelation is a precious jewel, and each dream a sacred message. As you immerse yourself in the process of transformation, you realize that your priorities are organically reshaped, aligning. Material achievements give way to deeper and more soulful aspects of life. The endless race for external success loses its relevance, making room for a profound exploration of existence. Instead of seeking instant gratification from materialistic pursuits, our priorities shift towards contributing to the greater good of humanity. The transition to the fifth dimension resembles the blossoming of a flower, revealing a deeper and interconnected perception of the world. In this state, division becomes an illusion, and the connection between all beings becomes a reality. The pervasive unity is felt in every atom of thought and manifestation of life. The divine essence, once perceived as distant or transcendent, is now recognized as the adhesive uniting all creation. There is no room for superficial divisions or judgments based on appearance. Interconnectedness becomes the foundation of your reality, a complex web of energy and consciousness uniting all aspects of existence. At this heightened level of consciousness, empathy flourishes naturally as the realization that each being is a unique expression of the same divine essence becomes evident. The duality of right and wrong is replaced by an understanding that all experiences are opportunities for learning and growth, and helping others is helping oneself. The separation between self and other disappears, and the consciousness of unity becomes a deep immersion into the fundamental truth that we are all part of something greater. In the fifth dimension, you may feel less confined by linear temporal constraints, experiencing moments of temporality and synchronicity. Significant coincidences that defy logic and explanation become regular occurrences, become a smooth dance between the past, present, and future, where temporal boundaries dissolve. Imagine strolling through a garden where flowers of every season bloom simultaneously, providing a unique and all-encompassing sensory experience. Initially, unrelated events intertwine unexpectedly, conspiring to create a unique and personalized narrative trajectory for your path. Temporality and synchronicity become invisible threads woven into the fabric of your reality. In the fifth dimension, every step you take is a dance between the past, present, and future, guided by a cosmic choreography that transcends linear logic. It's as if the universe whispers secrets and mysteries to you, inviting you to unravel the deepest truths of your own existence. In this realm beyond ordinary time, you become a conscious navigator, exploring not only the space around you but also the temporal bends of your own being. Every moment is an opportunity for learning, every coincidence an invitation to inner self-awareness. In the fifth dimension, time is a blank canvas awaiting to be painted with strokes of your expanded consciousness. Journeys and healings extend beyond the limitations, in the realms of time and space, diving into the depths of consciousness and soul. Healing transcends beyond just a physical process. It becomes a holistic experience, encompassing spiritual, emotional, and mental aspects of existence. With love and acceptance, you not only release emotional burdens but also cultivate fertile ground for spiritual growth. In this higher dimension, transformation goes beyond superficial changes. It's a profound metamorphosis that permeates all aspects of your life. Each trial overcome, each lesson learned becomes a stepping stone on the staircase of self-realization. Expanded consciousness allows you to see beyond the illusions of separation, connecting with the cosmic web that unites all beings. Thus, in the fifth dimension, healing and transformation are not isolated events but a continuous flow of evolution. It's a cosmic dance where you become the choreographer of your own path, guided by the wisdom of the heart and the connection with the divine. Every step on the journey of healing and transformation is a step towards integration and the manifestation of your true divine nature. Imagine your heart as the helm steering your journey, with every thought as a guiding star illuminating the path, and every action as a radiant expression of kindness. Each decision is shaped by the energy of love, forming a lifestyle where you become the conductor of harmonizing genuine connections. Empathy flows seamlessly, weaving souls into invisible threads of mutual understanding. Forgiveness becomes the compass pointing towards the true essence of the fifth dimension. In this realm, holding on to grudges is like carrying anchors that hinder the expansion of your being. The act of forgiveness not only liberates others but also yourself, allowing you to grow and flourish in the inner world. The journey in the fifth dimension is not merely about reaching specific goals, it's a sacred dance to the rhythms of the heart, where each step is an expression of love. In this dimension, you become a beacon radiating light, inspiring and uplifting those around you. This way of life transcends love, deep compassion, and liberation, responding to your. However, this increase in power comes with an important warning. Increased power requires greater responsibility. Every thought and intention now carries significant weight, demanding understanding and clarity. You become more conscious as a co-creator of your own destiny. In this new stage, synchronization and harmony between your thoughts and reality become evident. Exploring these expanded possibilities, always remember the importance of directing your energies towards goodness. In the fifth dimension, you understand that your consciousness is not limited to just this physical reality. It extends far beyond its boundaries, reaching other realms and dimensions. In this dimension, it's unconditional love that transcends conditional love rooted in ego and attachment. Your soul creates a deep connection with nature in the fifth dimension. It's not merely observing the trees, it's feeling the pulse of life flowing through them. Every leaf becomes a page in the natural symphony resonating in harmony with your being. Time spent in nature transforms into an exchange of energies, spiritual nourishment permeating your existence. Joy ceases to be a fleeting emotional burst, it becomes a constant flow emanating from within. Imagine a river of bliss, untouched by external storms, where the inner source remains steadfast, offering an uplifted perspective that turns challenges into opportunities for growth. In the fifth dimension, psychic abilities expand like the petals of a blooming flower, embracing cosmic knowledge. Vision becomes a clear window to truth, telepathy a silent language connecting souls. These abilities are not just individual gifts but tools for strengthening the collective, fostering the spiritual awakening of humanity. Freedom from drama in the fifth dimension is liberation from the invisible strings that hold us captive. Imagine yourself observing life events as scenes in a theater, not drowning in complex plotlines with challenges. You face them with loving indifference, knowing that true essence lies beyond fleeting circumstances. In the fifth dimension, love and acceptance are the keys that overcome the shadows of fear and judgment. Imagine yourself in a state of absolute acceptance, where personalities are celebrated as unique expressions of the same source. Here, there is no room for fear. As love is the light that dispels all darkness, judgments give way in the suffering dimension. You become a luminous being dancing within the cosmos, nourishing the soul and radiating joy, wisdom, and celebration of the miracle of existence. The fifth dimension, often seen as a higher state of consciousness, is not just an abstract idea but a reality we can consciously choose to embrace. Imagine it as an inner journey, awakening to the true essence of your soul and the unlimited potential residing within you. Building your life according to the principles of love, unity, and spiritual growth, you become a beacon of light, emanating positivity and inspiration to those around you. The teachings of Dolores Cannon provide a valuable compass in this journey of expanding consciousness, reminding us that the fifth dimension is not a distant place but a state of being accessible through conscious choices and daily practices. It's an invitation to transcend the limitations of the third dimension and embrace a higher reality infused with love, joy, and meaning. Reflecting on this exploration, you may begin to notice subtle or not so subtle changes in your own life. It's an invitation to be present and consciously respond when love, compassion, and the desire for spiritual growth manifest in your daily experiences. The real question is, are you ready to embrace the fifth dimension and contribute to the collective awakening of humanity? This invitation is not just for an individual journey but an opportunity to become an agent of transformation on a broader level. By consciously choosing to live according to higher principles, you not only elevate your own essence but also illuminate the path for those around you. In conclusion, the fifth dimension is not just a concept or theory, it's a reality we can grasp if we open our hearts and minds to new horizons. Journeying into the fifth dimension not only offers new opportunities for personal growth and self-discovery but also ways to impact the world around us in a deeper and more profound sense. As we see it, the fifth dimension beckons us not only to personal transformation but also to active participation in the awakening of humanity. It's an invitation to become beacons of light in the darkness, guiding others toward the true values of love, compassion, and unity. Thus, the fifth dimension not only transforms us as individuals but also fills our lives with meaning and purpose. By delving into our depths, we allow ourselves to become better and bring light and harmony into the world. Let's open this amazing world of possibilities together and become who we are truly meant to be.